We're gonna walk straight down that street. Give you a little context. This is more of that same street that we're not gonna walk down, but we are gonna check out this one. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, shark fin, Tamka shark fin. This is kind of interesting because I've seen this rock here before, and you don't really think about having a giant rock on the sidewalk, but it's not really that visible. Got some beautiful areas in here. And this one is Goa Nights. So Goa Nights has a balcony all the way up to the top, up there. And then this one, you also have this little area in here as well. It's a nice street. Rua Correia da Silva. I also want to capture some of this too. Digital world. This is new. I didn't really see this before, but this digital world has some little places to sit. I think they sell phones. And that's kind of interesting. That one and this one too. There's Moon. Little twin stars, Moon. Just kind of go back to here and we'll capture. Here we go, Rua Correia da Silva. That's the name of the street. And that's this little area right here, so that looks really amazing right in this space. And we're gonna keep on going. There's a beautiful rock. It goes up to that, whatever that is up there. That's always off limits, so. The moon. Kind of cool too. So you got this little balcony with like roses that looks like it's manufactured a little bit. There we go. Joker, that's a good barber shop. It's a great place actually. Oyster and wine, that was over there. So it's kind of crossover. Looks like they're doing some construction right there, so. It's kind of interesting. Let's keep on going down. This looks new. I didn't really see this art space before. This one looks interesting too. There's like a little Chinese characters there. Like it looks like it's Okay, so we're gonna continue on. So yeah, there's a Chinese one and kind of a building I hadn't really seen before. And camera overheated there a little bit. It's kind of cool. Portuguese food, sangria beer. Haven't even been to that one. Okay, so I did want to see what this is about on this side. Let's walk over and see. Huh. Look at the art space. Potato cookies. So we're gonna keep on going down this way. Rua Correia da Silva. Another little alley. I'm gonna keep on walking down. This is kind of interesting too, because over here there's a window. So if you get that restaurant seat by the window, sometimes I'll see like some liquor bottles on that window as well. It's a little bit hard to see, it's dark. I think you can see a little bit more, and then nighttime. Fish restaurant. Okay. So we're coming to the end of the street momentarily. And it's going to come up to a plaza. Rua Correia da Silva. Hot day for filming for sure. I got this beautiful building as well. And there's a street right there. Okay, hope you like that one as well. Chiquinha.
minha.